Martin, I feel like that flashlight's compensating for something. That shit looks like it should be on top of a fucking submarine, dog.
You gotta go this way.
Oh my god.
Just pulls the headlight out of a tank.
Yeah, that's what it fucking looks like.
Alright, I'll conserve my battery.
I too am conserving my battery.
I'm gonna have a seizure.
That's right, yeah. Don't worry, boys, I will sprint ahead. Huzzah!
Oh, don't tell me we have to go into the mine.
Dude, mines are based.
Right.
Hot
We're
take.
going
Mines were better when children were in them. Oh, fuck! That actually, this game normally doesn't scare me. That one got me, I can't lie. Damn, there's idols everywhere.
God damn it, that's gonna be my job.
Oh, I can't, I've been chained. Whoa. Whoa, what the fuck? My screen is glitched. What just happened? My game is so glitched right now.
I just got
Why do I have
chained.
chains on me again? Oh!
What is happening?
Like an Edgar Allan Poe reference.
Brendan,
What?
get on the bed, Brendan.
No.
Oh, come on.
Well, I'll be pitching that, catching it. You know what I mean.
I could do a little bit of both.
I don't want to go downstairs.
Yeah, me and Brendan stay upstairs, Lee investigate downstairs.
Oh, I hear one.
What is your fiction with large black men?
Hey, we all have a type.
On the other side of the wall.
Great investigation,
I
right?
prefer tatted up brunettes with daddy issues, but you know.
Muscular black men will do.
Oh, I guess.
Nice, and there's skulls in the floorboards here. This is nice.
Martin looks like the dude that owns this house.
Yeah. He's... Over here's the BDSM room.
The
Oh,
safe word is pineapple. Ah!
the safe word is supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I think we're good, guys. Come on, fellas. Let's calm down. Walk into the mannequin room.
Where'd you guys go?
I'm in the mannequin room. Martin, your house isn't upkept at all.
Oh shit! Damn.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh, there's one. Yeah, there's
Wait,
another
which way?
tape close.
Let's
I just
follow.
used a clue.
Let's follow
The
Martin's
ghost.
pompous ass.
I have no. I lost
There's
you
a
guys.
tape in here.
As how? Why?
Oh no!
Ah, creature! 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 Help! 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 No. All right.
I'm running.
Never mind. This is the prison talent.
Sorry, Brendan. that was-
yeah.
No. The answer to your question is no. Whatever it is, no.
I don't know. I use the incense. Incense.
You used the incest.
Use it-
The fuck what room are we in, dog? This room is huge. It's a fucking museum. I can
Oh, no.
stare at the
Alan.
tapeworms. Oh, I stunned him, but I think it was too late for you. Brendan, can you banish
I can't
that?
get rid of tapeworms.
Oh, I'm cooked.
Yep.
Running. No, you fuck away from me. You get the fuck away. Creature disabled your flashlight. That's sick, buddy. Too bad I'm a track star, pal. Fuck you. Oh, shit. I didn't get that thing. Oh, fuck.
Brendan set it on fire.
Oh no!
Oh, no.
I was running! I was trying to haul ass.
Doesn't matter where he is. He teleports.
Look how far away I was, Taylor.
Oh my
what I
god! That's where you were! Holy shit!
I got an achievement called OCD. Pick up a battery when you don't need it.
Idle. There's an idle.
I want OCD. Well, unfortunately, we might have to sprint past the idol here. Nyom.
Already found it.
Yeah.
No, no, I found it! I found it, guys! I found it!
Oh, behind us.
Flashlight, 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 flashlight. Tell it to fuck off. Fuck off, pal! Get the fuck out of here! Alright. Does anybody have a compass? Did you pick up a battery on like full? Like 100% full battery?
Oh yeah, like the game just started and I just beelined right to the battery and picked it up.
Ah! Ah, shit! He's after me! 2 more shards.
Found one.
Ready for the ritual. Perform the ritual! Ooh. There's the final one. Where's the P?
What about HPV? It actually spell HPV, does it?
It spells HPB. Oh shit.
Ow.
B as in
I will die next time.
It goes HPB. P as in penis, B as in butt.
I have to stay with you.
Oh, is this it? There we go. And then bada bing, bada boom. Running over here. Pressing this fucking button. I got bugs on my screen. That's okay. Unlocked the chest.
I have to stay with you, Taylor.
the truth has been revealed.
We gotta go to the dildo. My flashlight also has been... could be doing better.
Mine is dead.
It's a good sign for the both of us. Where's the stairs? Where's the stairs? Where's the stairs?
Mine is...
Here.
Maybe there's a battery up here?
Here's hoping. Brandon, help me break the sigils. Okay, we broke the sigils. What happened? We didn't collect all the tapes. Does it matter? I guess not.
Those were the clues.
Whee!
Brandon's dead ass.
Dead ass?
Of course. The black guy's dead. Oh yeah, this is where you guys left me to die. Thanks, bros.
No,
You left us to
fucking
die.
dumb. Well, me and Martin went and won the game.